Today I'll be reading a meditation furnished by Linda Martella-Whitsett about the power of imagination. I breathe into the center of my brain between my ears and eyes. I flood my brain with the light, the color of the midday cloudless sky, the palette of spiritual imagination. Every breath I take and every breath I release leaves me floating in the open sky of possibilities. Nothing can weigh me down. Nothing can inhibit the free expression of my divine imagination. Soaring in infinite space, all things are possible. Divine imagination is my name, my spiritual name, and my true nature. I am a creator by divine design. I reach beyond assumptions and limitations, dreaming of magnificent possibilities. By the power of conception, I catch a marvelous idea of what I can be, of what I can do, of what I can experience. I can tell that this idea is mine to express by its captivating appeal. I recognize in this idea the possibility of fulfillment that I have longed for. The marvelous idea I have grasped fleshes out as a vision and a purpose. Like a seed planted in the ground and watered, this idea is nurtured by my power of vision. I envision the fully formed blossom now, while the seed remains deep in the womb of possibilities. I am the spiritual power of imagination, claiming my divine identity. I call forth from within me my rightful divine capacities, pouring them out in fulfillment of my purpose. I have eyes to see the good within me. I have eyes to see the good around me. I have eyes to see the good path ahead of me. Whatever seems impossible, by my power of imagination, I declare all things are possible. We'll take this into silent reflection for a few moments. And now, with that power of imagination, we bring into our minds and hearts and into this circle of love those who are on our hearts right now, those who have asked for prayers, those who are suffering in any way, and put them into this space of love, holding a vision for them that their minds are unlimited with possibilities of healing and wholeness, of calm, of peace, of inspiration and direction for them. And speaking their names, if we choose to, we release them to the good and see the highest good for them unfolding in the perfect time, in the perfect way. And so it is. And so we let it be. Amen.